Hello, my name is Margaret Moré. I'm first and corresponding author of the review article entitled Saccharomyces boulardii CNCM I-745 supports regeneration of the intestinal microbiota after diarrheic dysbiosis. The probiotic medicinal yeast S. boulardii, also known as S. cerevisiae HANSEN CBS 5926, is used in the prevention and treatment of different types of diarrhea. A great number of clinical trials, reviews, meta-analyses, and also in vitro and in vivo studies have been published in recent decades regarding this unique yeast. This review focuses on the influence of S. boulardii on the composition of the intestinal microbiota. The importance of the intestinal microbiota becomes most apparent when this complex microbial system gets disbalanced. In a dysbiosis, as during diarrhea, it is known that the main microbial population collapses by at least one order of magnitude. In return, the amount of pioneer bacteria increase transiently. Several human studies, as well as animal models, have been performed to examine the effect of S. boulardii on the intestinal microbiota. In a healthy situation, the use of S. boulardii did not show any effect on the composition of the microbiota. But it has been observed that S. boulardii is capable of protecting and stabilizing the healthy microbial community during special challenges. For instance, as during exposure to pathogens eliciting traveler's diarrhea or in the prevention of antibiotic-induced diarrhea. Moreover, the effect of S. boulardii has been examined during different dysbiotic conditions: enteral nutrition, chronic idiopathic diarrhea, short bowel syndrome, and antibiotic therapy. In these studies, it has been observed that the treatment with S. boulardii leads to a faster re-establishment of a healthy microbiome. Especially, the positive influence of S. boulardii on the intestinal microbiota during and after antibiotic therapy plays an essential role due to the high amount of antibiotic prescriptions. In the following, you can see a generalized scheme of the effects of antibiotic dysbiosis on the habitual and other substantial bacteria. The antibiotic therapy lasts for 2 weeks, see red area. The blue line demonstrates the unfavorable situation if no S. boulardii is used. As the red line is demonstrating, a simultaneous treatment of S. boulardii leads to a reduction of decline by protecting the intestinal microbiota. The green line represents the administration of S. boulardii for 2 weeks following antibiotic therapy. See green area, showing a faster regeneration of the microbial population. Based on the two treatments, a hypothetical progression can be assumed for a simultaneous plus subsequent administration, to be seen as black dotted line. This combined treatment would be the preferred option, to use the protective and regenerating effect of S. boulardii. In conclusion, the use of S. boulardii can protect, stabilize, or regenerate the intestinal microbiota before or during several dysbiotic conditions. As it is also promising for the treatment of further dysbiotic situations, more studies are needed to explore the full potential of this versatile probiotic yeast.